Hello everyone, welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is a short tutorial 44. In this lecture I will show you how we can create animation of slope deformation versus dynamic time in PLAXIS 2D. In a previous lecture, we performed a seismic slope stability analysis and the response of the slope to seismic earthquake record. So in this lecture, I will show you how we can create animation of slope deformation versus dynamic time in PLAXIS 2D. So I have already created this video, this animation. So in here we can see we have a deformed shape, maximum value, and also dynamic time. So we can see this is seismic time, and the deformation changes versus dynamic time, and also we can see the animation of slope deformation versus seismic time. So in this lecture I will show you how we can create this type of animation in PLAXIS 2D. So this is from previous lecture, tutorial 43. I click on view calculation results, and in here we have a deformed shape. We can see the scaled up is 200 times greater than the actual scale. So first I want to decrease this scale a little to maybe 100. So we click on view, we have scale, manual scale. I will use 100 instead of 200. So if you want, you can maybe use 50 or maybe 150. So I will use 100 in this example, and after that I click on file, and in here we have create animation. So first we need to specify a location for saving this animation file, and for example I will save it on this desktop, and after that we have animation speed. We can use 5 or 3, it depends on the project and the problem. So in this lecture I will use 3. So we will use this current legend and scale. Also, if I click on show legend, this legend will be in the animation. I don't want, but I want the to see this deformation in the animation. So we should check this show title, and if I click on show rollers, these rollers will be visible in animation, and I don't want them, and I will uncheck the initial phase because I only need a seismic analysis animation. And after that I click on OK. So from a previous lecture we used 200 steps. That's why we can see 200s in here, and it may take some time, and I will pause a video right now and come back when this animation is ready. So it's about to finish, and we click on yes. We can open the animation. So as you can see, the animation is created, and we have deformed mesh. The scale is 100 times, and we have maximum deformation value, how it changes versus dynamic time. Okay, and we can also create animation like this one. If I click on deformation, total displacement like this one in shading contours, or like this one. So again, we can click on File, create deformation, create animation, and we will have animation using these shading contours. So this was for this lecture, and thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.